Young chefs, it's really important that they get involved in this sort of things. It aids in their education, so they learn that they've got to perfect skills. Competition, the way you get gold medals is really just practice, and then in the end you know you're really confident in it. But at the same time, it also gives you that confidence in life that you can actually go out and do things. You go out of your comfort zone, you do different things, and then the camaraderie that it brings at an event like this, when you bring a group of students together, they're just cheering each other on. They really are motivational to each other, and it's a great stepping stone in their careers.
The experience was really good. It was definitely a challenge being around other people and doing the same things under a time limit, but it really put into perspective what it would be like working in a kitchen, knowing that you have to have this certain knowledge, and having the chefs there to judge us and give us critiques afterwards was also very informative, and it helped me grow.
Yesterday was the competition that we did as college. I was in the breads display and the risotto live. When I did it, I saw that there was a lot of different skills, although we all started at the same time and had a similar skill set because we were all students. But I found that the actual displays, it was nice seeing what other people would do and how it would go. And then with the risotto live, I felt that it was different to see how other colleges set up and how their students work in the kitchen themselves, because with the display you only see what their final product, but with the actual live you see how they work and how their ethic is and how tidy their kitchen is. And the judges, I felt it was nice to see actual professionals who have been in this industry for years. It was a good experience and I got a lot of good feedback, because I think it's something valuable for my growth and development as a student and as a professional.
I got a silver medal in table layup. It was my first competition and it was quite weird because I've only been here for about a month, and immediately we were just like doing something really stressful.
I really enjoyed the competition because it gave me a chance to get like inspiration from other young chefs and training chefs. And really develop my understanding of the culinary world. Having experienced chefs judging you and getting their feedback really helped me understand how I can improve in my dishes and what I can do better next time.
So going there, it was nice to see other professional chefs and to get comments on the stuff that you have done. So they tell you about how your improvements. So it was nice to get tips and improvements on what you have done. It was also nice to see how a competition works and how it runs, to get a nice, good experience.
I received a gold medal for the cupcake competition. I was really surprised that I received this medal, but I found the competition a really great experience, especially our first competition. I really enjoyed it, and I'm excited for the future competitions as well.
I think the competition is really good because it gives you experience of what the real world can be like in the culinary place that you work in. And the chefs there are really nice, very kind. They gave you what you can improve on, what you did well, so in the future you can do better when you go to it in the future years if you do.
So I got a bronze medal in table layup, and the weeks leading up to the competition we were practicing our tables, how we were going to set everything, our wine pairings with our menus, and it was just a nice experience because you got to learn a lot from everyone else being there.
I've won 2 silver medals for the category of wedding cakes and plated desserts. It was a great experience for me as an individual. It helped me to challenge and bring out my creativity.
I think it was a very good experience for all the students to take part in the competitions. They took part and they experienced what a competition is.
You've always got to lose to win. And I always say to students that unless you've lost, you don't know what it's like to win. And students that are lucky in their first competition to do really well sometimes get complacent when they come back. Competitions are all about getting involved, getting stuck in and really enjoying it, not letting it get stressful but enjoying it.